So, guys, I need 1 minute of you, okay? Take your time and listen to what I'm about to say. So, this channel right here is helping you for you to know how to you can do your business. You understand me? How you can grow your business, how you can make money online, okay? So, I'm using people's video. I'm sharing people's video with you. You understand me? To let you understand how you can make a business, okay? So if you are interested, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are the first person to have it. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, okay? So please organize yourself and let's watch the video. So don't forget, like I said, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much.
Top 50 healthcare related businesses you can start in Ghana 2025. My name is Dr. Jante. Today I'll take you through top 50 healthcare related businesses you can start right here in Ghana. Some require no money, some require little money, and some, of course, some require a lot of money to start. Quickly, let's go through. Number one, hospitals. Hospitals, we don't know what it is. Number two, clinics. Number three, health screening groups. Yourself or your partners can get together, go to school, go to churches, go to NGOs, screen them, right? Number four, telemedicine. We all know what it is. Using telephone or the video communication, to let people access healthcare easier. Specialized clinics like ENT clinics, eye clinics, and all those specialized clinics. Maternity homes, we spoke about it last week. Elderly people's home. These are our nursing homes, our nursing care homes that we have in the US and UK, abroad. Then we have the weight loss and nutritional consultation. This is by the dietitians, right? You can set up a center, an office, or a business whereby you help people to take care of their weight loss or just giving general nutritional advice to them. Dietetic centers, as some call it. Then you have the home health care agency, the nursing agency, where you go to people's houses to take care of them, either nursing or general holistic care. We have private medical laboratories. We have diagnostic centers. Of course, we have the retail pharmacies. We have chemical shop OTCs. And we have the nutritional supplement and network marketing, what do you call it? Network marketing that's based on the healthcare products. They will tend to bring two people. When they bring those two people also bring two people. I'm sure you heard of those kind of businesses. Then they have the drug manufacturing company. An excellent example is Entrance Pharmaceuticals, under the Tobinco group of companies where they manufacture their own drugs, right? Pharmaceutical wholesale companies, Unicom, Unichem, Tobinco, NS Chemis, Pharmanova, there are many of them. And they're also very profitable, very lucrative, but you need, of course, large capital to start. Health blockers, basically, if you have a passion for blocking or for being on social media or on any other IT sites, and you can specialize mainly in the healthcare and create a platform just to promote healthcare, good healthcare. You can make a lot of money from that as well, from affiliate marketing and all those other kinds of marketing. Health training schools, nursing schools, medical schools, allied health schools. You can set up a school to, specifically for nursing, medical, or any other healthcare related courses. Also very lucrative, but of course quite expensive to set up, right? And we can help you with that as well. What do you call optometry centers, right? Then we have the optical centers too as well. They do the frames for your lenses. Optometry centers, they are centers manned by optometrists who are also doctors. Mental health clinics or brain clinics, or they take care of psychiatric, psychological, and all other mental issues. Healthcare design architecture. These are architects who can specialize in healthcare. So most of our hospitals and clinics, especially international hospitals, are designed by foreign architects, which is not the best. We need our own Ghanaian architects who specialize in healthcare designs, right? Healthcare marketing. These are marketing companies that have dedicated themselves to marketing only healthcare companies. So they help clinics to market, they help hospitals to market, they help all the healthcare related companies to market. They are very popular abroad, but here too they are not really set up. So you can set up a marketing company, but more biased towards healthcare marketing. Healthcare recruitment, like as we recruit doctors, nurses for hospitals and clinics. Healthcare bookshop. These are bookshops that stock mainly healthcare related books, either nursing student books, medical student books, allied health student books, or even just general healthcare good for the public, right? Physiotherapy or chiropractic centers are also there. Alternative healthcare like centers like herbal clinics, herbal hospitals, Lucky Men's, Time Daso, and all those hospitals. Oxygen gas production companies. These are companies that produce the gas, and they supply this gas to the hospitals and clinics. They bring their cylinders to fill for them, collect your money. Simple as that. Healthcare authors. These are authors who are specialized in healthcare-related topics. Yet again, in Ghana, we don't really see much of them here, but it's quite popular abroad. They write on various top healthcare issues, and how most of them are doctors anyway, or most of them are in the field, but they write books about these healthcare issues for the benefit of the public. Medical equipment sales. These are people who import medical equipment, and then, of course, sell it to the hospitals and clinics or anyone, or into people's homes. Medical pickup delivery business. These are transport business, TNT business, transport business, or delivery businesses that are specialized in healthcare products. We spoke about this as well. Transport things from the hospital to the patient, from the patient to the hospital, and or from the medical suppliers to the hospital, from the hospital. Basically, dealing with healthcare deliveries. Medical prostheses. Those who have lost arms, those who have lost legs, you can make prostheses. Consider a company to make prostheses for them. Private ambulance service, we all know what it is. Private healthcare insurance group, AKCS, Nationwide, Cosmopolitan, Premier, these are all Metropolitan, these are all private health insurance schemes. First aid kits, we spoke about it last time, basically selling first aid kits to homes, offices, factories, also another big business. Medical related app business. This is basically, if you are someone who's good in creating apps, you can create an app that solves a particular problem in the healthcare industry. Either an app for the hospitals or clinics to use to see their patients. So the app will basically solve a healthcare-related problem. Health data management company. These are companies that are involved in managing the health data of a clinic or hospital or any other NGO, any other company that needs such services. Health and wellness coach. These are holistic health counselors. Once again, we don't really see that here, but in abroad, we see people who have dedicated their lives to helping other people improve their health through physical activity in the gyms, through healthy eating, through counseling, and through protocols or regime that you have to go through to meet certain timelines for you to become healthy, right? Healthy restaurant. Yeah, there's one in Osu some years ago. These are restaurants that specialize in providing provide healthy foods for people. So they're not just after the money, but they provide for the vegetarians and other people who want to live healthy. When you go there, they only serve you healthy foods that are good for your health. Health fair organizers. This is another thing we don't see here, but it's basically an individual or company that decides to organize a health fair, where you bring the medical equipment people closer to the hospitals and clinics, and vice versa. You bring those who use the medical equipment or the healthcare-related equipment closer to those who produce them or those who import them. You bring the healthcare-related services to also those who may need them. So basically a fair made up of the public, healthcare providers, healthcare importers, and a whole lot of all under one umbrella. It's a very, very, very good idea, but no one has. All the ones that have been done, I've observed for they came from outside. I think we need to do our own here. Digital healthcare as well. Yeah, this is more like the app business where you are more into healthcare apps and creating solutions through IT. Health talk shows. You can basically have your own talk show on radio, on TV, about 30 minutes, 45 minutes dedicated to you, educate people about the various healthcare issues. Of course, and like I always tell people, if you're a doctor, fine, you can do that as a doctor. But if you are not a doctor, but you still want to educate people about their health, let people know that you are not a doctor, right? But you have the knowledge to educate people, but you are not a doctor. It's very good. If you don't say you are not a doctor, people assume that you're a doctor, and the law can catch up with you. So if you're a doctor, you want to educate people about their health on radio, TV, fine. But if you're not a doctor, just let people know that, look, you want to share them knowledge about the healthcare, but you're not a doctor, but you're a nurse, or you are this or that, and you are good to go. Anyone can educate people about the health, anyone at all. But you must let people know where you're coming from and your background, right? So you don't get into trouble with the law. Manufacturing of eyeglasses and frames. Yeah, there's a water company that actually manufacture the frames for people's glasses. Medical waste disposal business. So this is basically a company that specializes in disposing of not just any waste but medical waste. You can have a contract with the clients of hospitals and dispose of their waste for them. And the medical tourism, of course, helping people to go outside to get sick care for operation, kidney disease, and all that. And of course, sick bay for schools. You can set up sick bay for schools or in churches. And of course, the last one, we have the private mortuary. You can set up your own private mortuary to take care of people and their diseased or diseased bodies. So this is all the 50 we have for you. Have any questions, type it, comment.